Okay guys, just quick, show you bug slash exploit. See, I have for my weapon ammo, I have that amount of ammo, I have that on my MP5, I have that on my spray can, and now if I slash Q, and I rejoin the ammo, it takes it all the way up to the top, so it's like completely full again. So it's like a bug slash exploit. I realised this once I left the game and rejoined to quickly relog, and I did tell Kenji about it, but Kenji said he'd bar me for some reason, so even though I said I was just trying to show you, but see, up to the top, up to the top, up to the top. So I want to show that quick bug slash exploit.